Assalamu alaikum and Ramadan Mubarak. Welcome to Come Iftar with me, Chef Hamza. Today we are doing soup. Now in my culture, being from Morocco, we always start with soup and we normally start with harira, and this is how it's done. We're gonna start with chicken. This is gonna be enough for around about 6 people or so. Salt, pepper, chicken stock, bay leaves, parsley, onion, garlic, carrots, celery, and here today I'm going to be using egg noodles. I'm going to start with my base, and we call this a mirepoix. Mirepoix starts with onions, celery, and carrots. Now, you've got your mirepoix, as it's called, in here, and you're just going to sweat this down. You don't want to brown it, you don't want it crispy, you just want to sweat it down till the onions are nice and opaque and the carrots are cooked through. To that, I'm going to add a couple of cloves of garlic, just crushed roughly like so. We're going to use all the chicken. We're not going to trim anything. We're not going to cut anything. We're just going to cut it down to make smaller pieces. You leave all the bones and all the skin. It's going to start to seal the chicken down. Touch of colour, not much. Good helping of salt. Equally liberal helping of pepper. A couple of chicken stock in there. You can use the liquid one if you can get it. It's very difficult to get halal though. I'm gonna let this cook down for about 7 to 10 minutes. That's it. You got a little bit of color on the chicken. You can add some water, cover, half an hour, 40 minutes. Soup now has been cooking for 45 minutes, an hour or so. It's gonna look like. The chicken is gonna start breaking up. I'm gonna leave it whole this time. We're gonna go in with our noodles. Again, I repeat, you can use any kind of noodles. Ideally, or traditionally, let's say, the vermicelli noodles. But I'm doing here some egg noodles. You leave that for 6, 7 minutes till the noodles are cooked. That there is ready. It's proper warming for iftar. Nice hearty chicken noodle soup. Enjoy.